Hello, lovelies. How are you doing? Today, I'll show you how to create a folder in Google Drive. Open up your Google Drive on your PC. At the top left hand side of the screen, you click on the plus icon and you click on New Folder. Now, you enter the name for your folder, the name you want for your folder. Then you click on Create. Now, your folder has been created. You can add or upload files, videos, and many others to your folder. Double click on the folder to open it. Then you click on the plus icon, File Upload, and you select whatever files you want to upload to your folder. It could be a picture, it could be an audio, a video, or documents. After making your selection, you click on Open and your folder would be downloaded or uploaded. So guys, that is it. Easy and straightforward. That is how you create a folder in Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Bye guys.